Yes. So as we say, numbers 1 to 8, please attempt it independently, and you don't necessarily have to start on number 1. Number 1 can be easily done. Define the term statistics. Let's start with number 9. That's where the most difficult things have begun. That's where the actual calculations are happening. And that's the number 9 in the assignment itself. It says the following are the scores obtained by 13 students on a statistics test. Raw data, meaning no frequency. So this data is raw. It was collected and it was not organized yet. Okay, in the process of statistics, when you collect your data, okay, it's in the raw form, and therefore now it is not organized. Okay, so when it's not organized, it's in the raw form. So this is an example of raw data, single values. Okay, now one of us have already begun, and it says 13 students, but when you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is a typo. So edit 13 to 12. So please change 13 to 12. Instead of adding another number, I decided, well, okay, let's just change 13 to 12. Okay, it's easier to just change this 3 there to a 2. Okay, and keep those values as is, because someone might have started calculating already. Okay, so therefore now just change 13 to 12. So these are the values in the assignment itself. Now with these values now, what the question is saying is to calculate the mean, median, and mode. Not to represent, neither do this as was in or organized in STEM and LIV as in assignment A, but to calculate. Why? Because in the process of statistics, we're on assignment B. B is dealing with the analysis of data, the numerical analysis of data, the calculations now of descriptive measures. Okay, the calculation of descriptive measures, very first question, a descriptive measure. Okay, here you go to week 4, is a numerical value. So please read this definition of descriptive measures, and that's what we'll be basically doing in assignment B, calculating descriptive measures. Here are the 2 main categories. Here are the 3 subcategories. The 3 subcategories consist of central tendencies, the mean, median, and mode. And here are the interpretations. You have the measures of dispersion, how varied the values are amongst themselves. You have the range, interquartile range, variance, and standard deviation. And you have measures of correlation, how 2 variables are correlated amongst each other. How does one affect each other? Okay, so these are the 3 subcategories of descriptive measures that we'll be calculating in this assignment B, in order to learn to acquire the knowledge how to numerically analyze data in order to make informed decisions. So apart from representing data using diagrams, numerical analysis of data is very important, because you may want a number to describe what the data is saying. Okay, represent to convey information, what the data is trying to convey, and numerical values to use to describe what the data is saying. Okay, so that's where we are on the numerical analysis. So ensure that you have your calculators ready, and we are moving on to number 9, because that's where the calculations normally take place, from number 9 to number 10, and we are going to use the worksheet, and here are the values in the worksheet we're going to use. Okay, the following are the scores obtained by 12 students on the statistics test, raw data to frequency, 60 to 57. Calculate the mean, median, and mode. So please get your calculators ready and the Word document version of assignment B, so that you can actively participate in this session.